I am a student, and before 6 months ago, I had to struggle to get money. As an student, I did not have time to get a full-time job and I had to rely on my parents for money. But it all changed when one of my friends told me about how I can earn real money from online. Now, I can pay my rents, buy necessary books, expenses, and I can do whatever I want. In short, I don't really have to worry about money nowadays. However, there are a lot of YouTubers who tell you that you can earn money from those so-called earning apps and websites. But believe me, if you fall for that and try to work on those apps and websites, you cannot earn a single penny. Rather, you will end up wasting time in it. These apps or websites are fake. I have already tried those methods and ended up earning 0 rupees. It is just time wasting, nothing else. If you don't want to waste your time on such useless apps or websites and want to make sustainable income, then I'm going to tell you some legit ways to earn real money from online. Also, I will show you some proofs that how many people are making money from these methods. No matter who you are and how busy you are, you can try these methods and earn money. So relax and let's get started. Many people nowadays realizes that working online and getting paid is the great thing because you don't need to travel anywhere and you can do your work from any places. This is fascinating for many people, right? So the best way to generate sustainable income from working online is to start making content on the internet. See, there are many platforms for which you can create content such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and many others. You can create memes, shorts, reels, long form content, etc. and generate money. Many YouTubers, influencers and content creators earn in lakhs or even in millions. So if you want to earn real money, you need to stop using those small and false online earning apps and websites and shift your mind into it. If you still don't know how can you get paid by just creating content, you can search it on Google or YouTube. But there is a thing you need to know. It isn't a job where you get paid from the first day. You need to have patience and must do hard work when you get started. After some time, you don't need to do much, but your income will be compounded. So if you are interested in it, this might be the best option for you. Second option is creating website. Creating website does need some initial investment. You need to purchase domain and hosting to build your own website. There are many websites and resources through which you can purchase domain and hosting. However, be careful while placing order. Some websites can be fake and some charges high price. So do research about where can you buy it at the cheapest price. Then you can create website and you have to post articles and blogs regularly. If you do proper SEO and rank your website, you can make more money than you expected. So the last method is freelancing. If you have skills like video editing, graphic designing, data analyzing, accounting, etc., you have an awesome opportunity to work online. You can actually solve others' problem and get paid in freelance job. For example, I have a skill of video editing and I want to do freelancing. So I sign up in a freelance website and start searching for a job. Then I find a person who pays me for editing his videos. I edit video and deliver him. Then he pays me money. That's how it works. There are many websites through which you can start freelancing. Some of the popular websites are Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, etc. Trust me when I say this. Freelancing is one of the most efficient way to earn money online. And I am planning to make videos on full guide of freelancing that includes each and everything about it. So if you are interested in it, you should press that subscribe button and also comment below so that I can know how many of you are interested in it. If you have any doubt about this video, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box and watch this video. Money is valuable, so I am here to guide you about things I know related to money and help you generate more money. Keep learning, keep earning.